Okay, children, now welcome to our unit class. Remember that in this class we are going to learn many important things. So, for example, let's start. Maybe we're going to learn new vocabulary. And let's start, okay? Well, for today we have two main objectives. Number one is to reflect about the reasons you have for buying something, maybe goods or maybe services. And the second objective is to understand the difference between needs and wants. Remember that the previous class we learned about needs and wants, but now we are going to reinforce these concepts, okay? Let's see. Buying, 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 buying. Oh, that's a wonderful word. It's a beautiful word. But do you have a special reasons for buying something? For example, for buying toys or for buying clothes? Let's see. Have you ever bought jackets, pants, jewelry, earrings, like rings or something like that, jewelry in general? Have you ever bought toys, hamburgers, or water, or maybe medicines? Well, and which were the reasons for which you bought these items? Maybe you bought these items because you were in a celebration or you were preparing a party, or maybe because you want to give a present or a gift for to someone that is special. Oh, no, maybe you bought a hamburger because you were very hungry. Oh, Miss Patty, I am so hungry today. Or maybe you were really, really thirsty. Or maybe you were sick. Oh, mommy, I have headache. Or I have a tummy ache. Well, let's see. Let's continue. Well, when you have a special reason, you can buy one of these two. Or you can buy goods or you can buy services. Which is the meaning or what is the meaning of goods? Goods are things or objects that you can buy to use or keep in your hands or in your body. For example, shoes, balls, furniture, or food. Something that you can touch, okay? Now, what happened with services? Services are jobs that you pay someone else to do it for you. For example, when daddy and mommy goes to wash his or her car, or for example, the trash collector, the dentist, or the haircut when you look beautiful as always, or for example, the fire services. Now, but did you know that needs are things we must have in order to stay alive? Yes. Amores, las cosas que nosotros necesitamos son las que realmente son importantes para que nosotros podamos vivir. Y los deseos, bueno, son importantes, pero no son tan necesarios para vivir. Sencillamente es algo que nosotros queremos, pero no lo necesitamos para vivir. Si no los quitan, no nos vamos a morir, ¿ok? So, wants are things we don't really need, but we would like to have, okay? Now, for example, here I have some examples. Needs or wants. I have here, what about food? Amores, ¿qué pasa si a nosotros nos quitan la comida? ¿Nos morimos? Claro, entonces eso será needs o será wants. Claro, mis amores, muy bien. Ustedes lo han dicho mejor que yo. Food is needs, corresponds to needs. What about shelter? Excellent, good answer. This also corresponds to a need. What about a bike? Okay, you're right. Bikes are wants. What about clothing? Excellent answer. Clothing corresponds to needs. And a car? What do you think? Is a car as necessary for living or for being alive? No, that's not. Okay, very good. So this one corresponds to a want. What about toys? Okay, you're right. Toys corresponds also to a want. So, basic needs. Here we have the basic needs. Sun, water, shelter, wind. Sleep, food, clothes, and medicine. Todas estas, mis amores, son necesidades básicas. Las necesitamos para vivir. Needs are things that we must have in order to survive. Now, wants. Here we have wants are things that we would like to have to simple enjoy or for entertainment. So, pets, bikes, money, clothes, stuffed animal, phones, mobile phones, those are wants. So now that you already know the difference between needs and wants, what are you going to do? You are going to Brain Pop Junior and watch the video, okay? After watching the video, you are going to answer the quiz, the easy quiz, okay? Easy quiz. And after answering the easy quiz, you are going to activity number 2, to the activity, that is the second part of this class. Go to the activity. And you will have this page, okay? And in this page, you will have this one. What are you going to do? You are going to do an advertisement of a want. Amores, ustedes van a hacer una publicidad para un deseo, un producto que ustedes crean que la gente quiere, ¿cierto? Y ustedes van a decir las razones, van a escribir las razones para que compren ese producto que ustedes escogieron, el nombre de ese producto, que hagan un dibujo de ese producto y que le pongan un precio, ¿ok? Cuando ya hayan terminado, once you have finished this one, you go to Seeso and upload a picture of your work, ¿ok? Amores, recuerden, antes de hacer la actividad número 1, ustedes van a ver el video, es decir, acá ustedes van a parar mi video y van a ir a Brain Pop Junior a ver el video que yo he preparado también para ustedes. ¿Listo, mis amores? Bien, como ustedes son tan juiciosos y tan inteligentes, los voy a dejar trabajar. Yo sé que ustedes pueden hacerlo solitos hasta la actividad del Easy Quiz. Por favor, pídanle a papá y a mamá que les ayuden a ser creativos para que puedan desarrollar esta segunda parte que sea súper creativo. Bueno, que tengan ingenio, que tengan imaginación, que tengan, bueno, ustedes saben mejor que yo. A Miss Patty a veces ustedes saben que se le corre el champú y cuando se le corre el champú, se le van las buenas ideas. En cambio, a ustedes no se les corre el champú. Amores, I love you so much. Kisses for you and I want to see your work in Seeso. Okay? Bye. See you.